Did you know that you can preserve sweet potato leaves? Hi everyone, my name is Merly and welcome to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how I preserve my sweet potato leaves. I use sweet potatoes in many dishes including sautéed vegetables and vegetable soup. I am blessed to have an abundance of sweet potatoes in my garden year after year. One of my favorite things to do is to harvest the young leaves of my sweet potatoes to be used in soup or in sautéed vegetables. I also like having the organic vegetables from my garden in the winter time, and so as much as possible, I preserve some of my vegetables. Preserving your sweet potato leaves is an easy thing to do. First, you have to harvest the young sweet potato leaves and then make sure that you wash the leaves thoroughly, remove all the dirt, and sometimes there are bugs in the leaves, so you need to make sure that you also remove the bugs. One way that I found out to be effective in removing the bugs from your leafy vegetables is to soak the vegetables in water that has been added with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. After washing the sweet potato leaves, you need to boil some water in a cooking pot. Once the water has come to a rolling boil, put the sweet potato leaves in the boiling water and boil the leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. While boiling your sweet potato leaves, prepare a bowl of cold water and add some ice in it. The next thing that you will do is to put the boiled sweet potato leaves into the bowl of cold water and ice. This process is called blanching. Blanching is scalding vegetables in boiling water or steam for a short time. It is typically followed by quick, thorough cooling in very cold or ice water. Blanching stops enzyme actions which otherwise cause loss of flavor, color, and texture. I wait for my sweet potato leaves to cool down, and once the leaves are cold enough, I transfer them to a strainer to remove most of the water. I then put the sweet potato leaves in a quart-size freezer bag, remove the air, and then I seal the bag. The last thing that I do is to label the freezer bags with the date and the name of the vegetables. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you next time.